What's going on, TDA guys? It's July 4th. It's beautiful, sunny. Show them. Look at this. It's amazing outside. It's fucking amazing outside. Guess what we're doing today? Tell them, Vincent.
Today, we're actually gonna get a car wash because I don't know if you guys could tell, my car is dirt. Look at this. Just because I like you guys, look. Look at this brake dust.
It's nasty.
Tell me that's not nasty. Doing that, and then we're gonna go, where are we going down then?
We're gonna go shooting at the shooting range today.
But first, I'm about to show you guys the cutest dog of mankind. He has, it's a corgi. It's this man's corgi. What's good?
I fucking slept at 8 o'clock, bro.
Doing what?
I'm tired, bro. I was playing 2K, dog.
Here's Bobo. Bobo, what do you have to say today? Sorry we woke you up. And then, here's Coco. What's up, Coco? Hey, Bobo. Hey, Bobo. Oh. Watch this. What do you want?
Oh, okay.
Get off.
Ooh.
Get off me, man.
Ooh, ooh.
You're not good like me. Here, take this shit. Let me see. You guys want to see how bad Jonathan is?
Alright.
Don't even, man. He's horrible.
Change of plans. We went over to Hong's earlier, and then now
We're still gonna go shooting though. We're still gonna go shooting. It's just we got hungry, and it is July 4th, so we are gonna try to hang out with some friends for a little bit.
Yep. Vincent suggested a place called Goku. I've never even heard of it. Guess hope it's good. But yeah, we're gonna be kicking it with Hong. We're probably gonna go to a daytime party in a bit.
But it's called Goku, if you guys know what it is. If you guys know what Gen is, which I'm pretty sure you guys do, because I think all of our subscribers are now from the Bay. But Goku is another Korean barbecue place. It's a new place. I really hope it's all orange and Dragon Ball Z like. Who knows, but it is what it is.
What's up guys, my name is Junior, welcome to my mukbang videos. Today we're sitting here at Goku Korean barbecue place. So there's hot pot as well, as you can see we have the brisket right here. Oh yeah, we have Francis, our lovely server.
What's up man? What's happening? What's happening?
We out here for July 4th.
We got it, man.
Oh yeah.
Ooh, bartender.
We're up.
Got Jonathan.
The TDA guy with the vlog.
Oh my god. Oh yeah, no drip, no drip.
Happy 4th. Happy 4th.
Welcome back to the vlog, guys. We just finished eating, and it was pretty good. I'm not gonna lie, it was pretty good.
That was alright.
It was alright.
You better go light up some fucking fireworks.
Yeah, we're thinking about getting fireworks right now.
Either the cakes or the mortars. It's like 150 or 120. We're trying to see which one's the best bang for its buck. You get it?
But we're about to get both though.
Yeah, that's
We're gonna get both. We're gonna get both. Honestly,
$300 freaking dollars on fireworks for July 4th. What a better way to spend it, right? Look at this little guy. Hey, buddy. Bobo. Bobo, look at me. Look at the camera. Bobo. Hey. All right, and on the other hand, we have a really fat dog. Her name's Callie. Hi, Callie.
Are you tired? You're tired.
We're trying to get her to walk right now
so
so she
quick,
could,
bro.
you know,
I know you're
burn some
tired.
fat.
It's okay.
Last time I walked her around the corner, she was already laying on the ground, bro.
You're so fat.
She can't
bruh.
walk. She's like,
Dude, why is she so thick?
She's so fat, but it's
Who's
okay.
so thick?
It's okay.
Cutie and thicky. Junior's going away. Later, buddy.
They almost ran me over. We're out of war.
July 4th just started. Woo!
That's gonna be us in a second. You'll see.
What do we do? What do we do?
You guys want to see $300 worth of firecrackers?
Oh man.
Fireworks, bro. We got a Confederate flag.
It's
It's big trucking season, bro.
It's over. Tree, you just did that, boy.
Shit. She's coming with it.
where's the lighter?
She's coming with it.
Vincent, what are we doing right now?
Okay. So this side up. And I think you just light it. And if it doesn't, we'll find out. Alright, get the fuck back, everybody. Light it. Hold on, light it.
Hold on. Let me get my Snapchat out too.
Yeah, dude, do it.
You can just shut up.
We got a dip though on 3.
Alright.
Alright, guys.
Go for it.
Like that
I
shit.
do that shit. Oh yeah.
I don't know if I did it right. I just. Oh my God! Fuck!
You guys need
What's
to
going on?
chill.
Why did everyone leave? Why did everyone leave? Why did everyone leave?
Need a lighter.
All right, so we changed spots because we got scared,
Are you really?
but now we're about to
recording
pour
live
at the same time. Hey, you want to use this one? Just push it up.
Hey, my phone's gone,
Give me
bro.
the
You took too long.
my phone,
Oh, shit, bro.
Oh, bitch.
There you go.
Wait, how do you use it?
Just can light, please.
Okay.
Just push it up.
Okay.
Wait,
Ready? No, wait, you're doing it without Junior?
Come on,
Yeah, just one round.
Just light the fireworks.
I'm standing back here, nigga.
No idea what this is.
Hey, Hong, what are we doing now, huh?
There's no, don't take it out. Don't take it out the box.
This is the finale, guys.
There should be
This should be a cord.
Two.
Like that shit.
What the fuck?
Hold on, wait.
Oh, wait.
Don't matter.
Wait, what?
That's it. Crazy. This is worth every dollar. This is worth every dollar. How is it not over? All right. $300 worth of fireworks.
What's up, guys? It's the next day. Last night got pretty hectic. We didn't get to go shooting or wash our cars. We're actually gonna go wash our cars in a bit. But what happened was we're doing fireworks. in the last clip you saw, someone at the end, someone actually yelled at us and said to get out of their park.
Get out of the park, we're gonna call the cops.
Yeah,
So everyone did.
I've never seen like 15 people dip so fast in my life, dude.
Like 6-7 cars were just like, peace out, we gotta go.
Yeah, the guy was like screaming at us and we got hella scared. But yeah, we dipped after that. We went to a few parties.
Yeah.
But we never got to stay at one of the parties.
They were horrible.
Yeah, they kept crashing and everything. So
Yeah. And we didn't film any of that because the battery died.
Right.
But it is what it is, right? And then I don't know if you guys saw, but look at all this.
Yeezys.
That's how you make money right here. Even though it's not the best flip, money's money.
Alright guys, please like, subscribe, comment, and if you like it, share it with your friends. Much appreciated guys. We appreciate all kinds of support. Alright.
Peace out, TDA Squad.